Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on this Galaxy DX 33 HP2. It's a used unit. I've not been inside. D-Rail had tuned this at one point or another. It's not his comp tune by no means. Guessing just his mild tune. On the side here, there's a switch with a pinger. Variable power's right here. 100-watt slug.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
About 62. Show you average.
Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Crank it up a little.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check.
It's doing about 30 bird.
Check 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
If this is something you're interested in, check us out at www.truckcbsales.com and click on the used equipment section. Boom, boom.